Hi, welcome to the Carbon Dioxide Removal Newsroom. Here's your weekly roundup of top CDR updates from past week. EU approved $5 billion for climate projects in Germany and Czechia, funding peatland restoration for CDR, biomethane, and clean energy. Exomad Green and Supercritical signed a 500,000 tons biochar CDR deal. Novocarbo secured a long-term CDR deal and renewable heat agreement with Stadtwerke Dessau. US DOE reinstated up to $1.2 billion for carbon removal projects, including 2 DAC hubs targeting 2 million tons of CO2 per year. Max Burgers purchased 1,000-year biocarbon storage credits from Sweden's first certified project. Mangrove Systems acquired grain ecosystem assets to expand its biochar MRV platform. Google launched a California wetland restoration project as a CO2 removal living lab. Climate Vault added Cowboy Clean Fuels Wyoming project to its CDR portfolio. Deloitte launched an EU survey to design a carbon farming buyers club under CRCF. Deadline, 26 May 2026. EPA issued a second-ever MPRSA permit for a MCDR pilot in Louisiana. Remove Accelerator selected 12 startups for Africa Carbon Removal Cohort. 2. CDR.FYI has released a market snapshot comparing Microsoft's activity with Frontier Linked and other buyers. Carbon to Sea opened applications for an ocean alkalinity enhancement modeling workshop. Carbon Removal launched its 2026 RFP for carbon removal projects. Carbon 180 released core framework for equitable and transparent CDR. EU published guidance for cities on using CDR strategies. European Marine Board report highlighted major MRV gaps in marine CDR standards. That's all for now. Subscribe to the Carbon Removal Updates Substack newsletter for more details.